Dear students, a specific complaint is roaming around the classroom that few students are not getting right score after grade released. Whenever the specific students have shown right marks instantaneously after submission of MCQ, but there are that right number is not reflecting in their obtained grade. Even few has appeared in exam but scored 0 or their score is showing missing. And the question is why this is happening. Okay, now the clarification of the fact is that I am showing you few such victims in my live classroom. Here you can see in this classroom Wolf Panda Rock. You can see Wolf Panda Rock. In another classroom, this is Comedy King Mania. In the another classroom, this is a student Cricket My Jan. So these are the some students who have enrolled their name in Google site. That is, when they are creating their Gmail, they have given anonymous name and surname at the time of creating Gmail ID. These students have enrolled in the classroom with matching or non-matching, that is fake mail ID, with respect to their registered name in the attendance sheet in the institute. Moreover, they use anonymously first name and surname in their Gmail creating account page. So now there is a demo classroom here. This is a demo classroom, and you see two students are there, Naresh Bhattacharya and Alok Tripathi, and suppose this Alok Tripathi, a registered name in the attendance sheet is Alok Tripathi, so no problem at the time of checking answer copy of this specific student by the teacher. But when this original Alok Tripathi created his Gmail, suppose he wanted to give a fake name and surname in this way. How? This is the Alok Gmail. This is the Alok Gmail. Here is the account. Welcome Alok Tripathi. Now, at the time of creating page, this personal information he has clicked, and this name Alok Tripathi in this portion he has gone, and now in the change name, suppose at the time of creating pages he write here first name World Cup and last name football. After that, save it. Now, this was the student page, student Gmail page. Now, in my demo section, demo classroom, see what are the students' name. Naresh Bhattacharya was earlier, and that Alok Tripathi has been converted into World Cup football. So if this World Cup football named student submit their quiz copy or something else in my classroom, then how it is possible to identify this student according to my register, in which the proper name is given Alok Tripathi and the Google Classroom name is World Cup Football. So this is the main cause through which few of you are getting missing score or zero score after obtaining the right score after submission from your laptop or desktop. So in this specific case, now the main point, suppose World Cup football, this name has been registered in the Google Classroom and you have to change it. So specific mail ID you know through which you have registered in the classroom, just go to your Gmail page first. This was the Alok Tripathi's Gmail page. In this Gmail page, there are 9 dots just after your symbolic name. Click this. Sorry, you are not seeing, I know. To change this name, go to your Gmail page. In this Gmail page, there are 9 dots. So 9 dots you have clicked. Now the symbolic name account, click it, and here left hand side after home, the just bottom portion is personal information, click it, and here your name is showing World Cup football, click here. See here change name option. So remove this fake name. Your original registered name in the attendance sheet is Alok Tripathi. So type Alok and change the surname Tripathi. Come button and save it. Here a dot has been posted, that's why it is not taking. So this is Alok Tripathi. Now if you see, definitely your it was earlier World Cup football, you see. In my page it will be changed automatically if you change your first name and surname in your Gmail home page. So now Naresh Bhattacharya and Alok Tripathi original names come. In this way you will change into your actual name, which is registered in the attendance copy of the institute, name and surname. And if there are 2 students, this case happens also, in the same name and same surname, then try to give your last 2 digit of your roll number in alpha character, because it may be that the surname cannot be taken as numeric character in the Google name page. So you will put your original name and surname you will give, and after that after surname just type your last 2 digit roll number in alpha character, so that two names, same student's name can be differentiated at the time of giving marks. And another request for you, this is the first issue, and the second issue that when you will get any assignment from my classroom, as per earlier video, definitely you will click it. After clicking, I am not repeating that video, just I want to add one portion. Here the page you will click. Okay, it is not coming because due to conflicting of Gmail. This is your page. Until I log out, it cannot be login. Caps lock was on. Here your mail page. Suppose this was the question we have got. Open it. The rest video was same. You will click it, will answer. Don't forget to give here, this is the private comment box. Here name, and roll number is must. Name and roll number is must in this section for the upcoming class test of my classroom. Here definitely you will give your name, actual name of the register copy, and your university roll number. Otherwise it is very troublesome to identify you whenever you have got the right score. And the rest video for submission are same, so I am not repeating that one. Thanks to all of you.